So you want to route a differential pair traces that will give you, say, 90 ohms differential, 100 ohms differential. No worries, I'll show you exactly how to do that in Allegro X PCB layout. And I'm also going to verify that the differential pair is 100 ohms differential impedance. This will be done for a SATA communication protocol differential pair. So let's get started. Here I'm in Allegro X PCB layout. And so what I want to make sure of is that my PCB stack up is set properly. So let's go to setup, cross section. In the PCB stack up, you have your layers, your dielectric materials, and everything you need that's from your fabricator for proper differential pairs. Also, under signal integrity, you can calculate the distance and widths for your traces for proper impedance. And I've done that here. The next thing you want to have set up is the differential pairs themselves. So you want to go to setup constraints, and underneath physical, you have your net all layers and you create your differential pairs. To create them, you click on any two or highlight any two nets, right click them, create differential pair, give it a name, hit create, and then hit close. That will create your differential pair. You can also auto set up your differential pairs. That's an advanced technique, but very quick. Once your differential pair is set and you set your constraint for the differential pair, you apply that constraint to that. And now we have things like uncoupled length, the differential pair constraints for minimum line spacing, primary gap, net gap, tolerance, via type that you allow on there, and so on. Once those are set, you're ready to route your differential pair. So here, normally you'd go and hit route, connect, start routing a single-ended trace. For differential pair, you click on any one of the pads and it will start routing both traces. And it's just that easy. So you click to place your vertex. If it is a little choppy, you can end your differential pair routing by right-clicking, choose done, then right-click quick utilities, go to grids, and go to all etch. And you may want to reduce that from a 5 mil grid spacing or 10 mil, 25 mil down to 1 mil spacing. Hit tab for each of these and it will make your spacing for all of your layers 1 mil. That's how I get this smooth routing here. I can continue my differential pair routing by hitting add connect or go to route connect or F3 on my keyboard. I only have to click on one of the traces and there we go. I can move and change my angle for the diff pair. And then as I'm routing, use the middle mouse button to pan. Now I may need to go on a different layer here, or actually this is fine. So to go through the routing, I can continue routing. Now to get through tight spaces, I just need to right click and choose neck mode. Neck mode makes the differential pair traces more narrow, including the spacing. Then I could just go get near my pads and then click to make the connection. So I've successfully routed my differential pairs, but there's one question. Is the impedance correct? I'm going to show you how to verify impedance using Sigrity X Aurora. So I just routed this differential pair. It was meandering a bit, but let's see what happens. To verify the impedance of a diff pair, go to Analyze, Workflow Manager. You want to have Sigrity X Aurora installed on your machine. You don't need a license to check impedance, just have it installed on the back end. Then go to your drop-down menu here, choose Impedance Workflow. I'm going to select all of my nets. By default, you'll have all of your nets on the left side. We're going to put all of those on the right side to select all of them. Click Apply, then OK. I'll go with the default analysis options, then hit Start Analysis. So the analysis has run, and then we're going to view the impedance of these traces. Take a look. We have a differential impedance of 100 ohms with a little slight percentage, which is fine. How do I know that? So since we want 100 ohms differential, we want our single-ended trace to be 50 ohms differential. As long as we are roughly, we're in the 48 ohm impedance, we're good. Okay, we've successfully routed the SATA 100 ohm differential pair in Allegro X PCB layout. If you'd like more practical demos like these, be sure to let us know in the comment section. Like the video, share it, and also follow us for more. Thanks for watching.